Namaste. Welcome to Kaivalya Yoga Gurukulam, KYG. Let us begin this class with one Om, followed by a reverential salutations to the Divine Sadguru, followed by the Bijakshara mantra for Lord Ganesha, so he awakens from the Mooladhara and helps us in this final culminating verse of Shivopasana. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Om Ganganapataye Namaha. Let us review what we have learnt so far. We'll repeat each line twice, slowly. Some of those lines will combine together for the ease of flow, and then we'll learn the final 2 lines of the 38th verse of the Shivopasana mantra. Let us begin together. Om Nidhanapataye Namaha. Nidhanapataye Namaha. Nidhanapatantikaye Namaha. Nidhanapatantikaye Namaha. Urdhvaya Namaha. Urdhvaya Namaha. Urdhvalingaya Namaha. Urdhvalingaya Namaha. Hiranyaya Namaha. Hiranyaya Namaha. Hiranyalingaya Namaha. Hiranyalingaya Namaha. Suvarnaya Namaha. Suvarnaya Namaha. Suvarnalingaya Namaha. Suvarnalingaya Namaha. Divyaya Namaha. Divyaya Namaha. Divyalingaya Namaha. Divyalingaya Namaha. Bhavaya Namaha. Bhavaya Namaha. Bhavalingaya Namaha. Bhavalingaya Namaha. Sharvaya Namaha. Sharvaya Namaha. Sharvalingaya Namaha. Sharvalingaya Namaha. Shivaya Namaha. Shivaya Namaha. Shivalingaya Namaha. Shivalingaya Namaha. Jvalaya Namaha. Jvalaya Namaha. Jvalalingaya Namaha. Jvalalingaya Namaha. Atmaya Namaha. Atmaya Namaha. Atmalingaya Namaha. Atmalingaya Namaha. Paramaya Namaha. Paramaya Namaha. Paramalingaya Namaha. Paramalingaya Namaha. Now comes the invocation. Etat somasya suryasya sarvalingaggasthapayati pani mantram pavitram. Or rather the installation of the Shivalinga. Once again. एतत् सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गग् स्थापयति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रम् सद्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सद्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः सद्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सद्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व माम् भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व माम् भवोद्भवाय नमः भवोद्भवाय नमः वामदेवाय नमो वामदेवाय नमो next two lines together ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो three lines together रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलाय नमो next two lines we'll chant together बल प्रमथनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो बल प्रमथनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः मनोन्मनाय नमः अघोरेभ्योऽथ घोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः अघोरेभ्योऽथ घोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वशर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वशर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानामीश्वरः सर्वभूतानाम् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानामीश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवोम्. We'll chant this two more times together. Let's join the two lines together. ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवोम्. Once again. ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवोम्. नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतय उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः. नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः। ऋतुगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम्। Again. ऋतुगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम्। ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः। ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः। Let's join these two together. ऋतुगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम्। ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः। Again. ऋतुगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम्। ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः। सर्वो वै रुद्रस्तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु। सर्वो वै रुद्रस्तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु। पुरुषो वै रुद्रः सन्महो नमो नमः। पुरुषो वै रुद्रः सन्महो नमो नमः। Here it is common to make a mistake. Sanmaho namo. Don't do that. It's not namo, it's namo. Sanmaho namo. Sanmaho namo. Purusho vai rudras sanmaho namo namaha. Okay. All right. And then we come to the final line. And finally, when we realize this San Maho, Maho is like we discussed in the last class, Maho is Mahat, the brilliance in every being, everywhere. We realize Vishwam, Bhutam, Bhuvanam, Chitram. How is this chanted? Vishwam, Bhutam, Bhuvanam, Chitram, Bahuda, Jatam, Jayamanam, Chayat. What does this mean? Vishwam, Vishwam, Bhutam, Bhuvanam, Chitram. And finally we come out of the puja with this understanding that this universe, Vishwam is universe. Bhutam is all parts of this universe, every aspect of creation. Bhutam is elements, right? Earth, water, fire, air and space. All of this that we see in this universe. And when Bhutam is not just the 5 elements that we can relate in this dimension, but all the other dimensions. All the 5 koshas and all the multi-universal dimensions that exist in the consciousness of Shiva, all of that, Bhutam, all beings, all creation, Vishwam, Bhutam, Bhuvanam, this earth in particular, Chitram, variety, the variety there is, okay? Because we're going to say all of this is Shiva, right? So Vishwam, Bhutam, Bhuvanam, Chitram. How is this chanted? Vishwam Bhutam Bhuvanam Chitram. Vishwam Bhutam Bhuvanam Chitram. Let's do it together. Vishwam Bhutam Bhuvanam Chitram. Again. Vishwam Bhutam Bhuvanam Chitram. One more time. Vishwam Bhutam Bhuvanam Chitram. Bahuda Jatam Jayamanam Chayat. Bahuda. Chitram Bahuda. This variety is diverse variety. Diverse. When we say there is diversification, means you have a species called the monkeys. But in the monkey species, there are so many varieties of monkeys, right? So this explains, that's why there is two words explaining this. Chitra is varied, Bahuda is diverse. So it is not only vary, but in each of these varieties there is so many more layers of diversity. So in all of this, Jata, that which is born, which has already come into existence. Jayamana, that which is yet to come into existence. All of this. Jata, Ja. Ja comes from the word Jagat, comes from that. Ja means to be born. Ga means to go. Gat, Gat is movement, right? Jagat in Sanskrit and Hindi we say Jagat. Jagat means that which is born and that which dies. So Jata, Jata, born. Jayamana, to be born. So all of this diversity, variety, things to be born, which are already born, everything, what are they? They are going to be part of Rudra. That will follow. So this chanting goes like this. Bahudha jatam jayamanam chayat. Bahudha jatam jayamanam chayat. Let's chant it together twice. Bahudha jatam jayamanam chayat. Bahudha jatam jayamanam chayat. Wonderful. Bahudha, bahudha, bahudha jatam, bahudha jatam. That's how you have to practice. Break it, make it two lines, two words, and practices. And then we say all of that we discuss now, this universe and the earth and the variety and the beings, that is which is born and to be born, all of that. Sarvo, Sarvo Hyesha. Hyesha means that it is so, thus it is. Sarvo Yesha Rudras Tasmai Rudraya Namo. Everything is part of that Rudra consciousness. The effulgence of Rudra pervades in every aspect of creation, in every dimension. Nothing outside of this effulgence. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu. This sentence will come again. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai. Let us break that. Listen to it once. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai. Let's chant it together. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai. Again. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai. Wonderful. Rudraya Namo Astu. Rudraya Namo Astu. Rudraya Namo Astu. I will say the whole line once and then we'll repeat it. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu. Let's try it together. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu. Again. Sarvo Hyesha Rudras Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu. Wonderful. And then we say Kad Rudraya. To that Rudra. He who is Rudra. The Rudra who is final salutations. That Rudra who is what? Who is what? Prachetase, who is wise. Wise is a very simple way of saying this. Who knows everything. The wisest of the wise. To that Rudra who is Prachetase, Midushtama. Midushtama is the one who bestows. Shiva consciousness doesn't judge anything. You put in a desire in the Shiva consciousness, it will but materialize. Good, bad, all of that, you pay the consequences of that because you own that desire. But in Shiva's consciousness, everything that is offered to him in that consciousness has the power, gives that thought the energy to materialize itself in real life. That is the beauty of this. Midushtama. He's the bestower. He just bestows. Whatever it is. That is why we say that we have to be careful of how we think, because in that thought process, Whatever we offer to Shiva, oh Shiva, why am I suffering so much? He'll bless. And suffering is what we get. Oh Shiva, thank you for everything that you do for me. Then there is a blessing. And more is given to you, so you'll be more thankful for. So that is the Midushtama energy. Very powerful energy. Tavya is strong. That Rudra who is Prachetase, Midushtama, Tavya, right? And the last one, we'll go to that final statements. So how is this chanted? Kadrudraya, Kadrudraya, Rudraya who is, right? Kadrudraya Prachetase, Kadrudraya Prachetase, Kadrudraya Prachetase. Together. Kadrudraya Prachetase, Prachetase. Don't say Pratechase. Prachetase. Kadrudraya Prachetase. One more time. Kadrudraya Prachetase. Very good. Midhushtamaya Tavyase. Midhu it is. Midhushtamaya Tavyase. Together. Midhushtamaya Tavyase. Midhushtamaya Tavyase. I'll join these four words together. Listen. Kadrudraya Prachetase, Midhushtamaya Tavyase. Together. Kadrudraya Prachetase, Midhushtamaya Tavyase. Again. Kadrudraya Prachetase, Midhushtamaya Tavyase. To that what? Vochema Shantamagum Hriday. Hriday is heart. Shantamagum, tranquilly, undisturbed, take your presence in my heart. Vochema is I plead, I say so, I speak so. And I use the word invocation here because I invoke so. I'm speaking this. So may my speech come true. What is that? In your tranquility, in all your tranquility, establish yourself in my heart. What a beautiful way to end this prasana. Vochema Shantamagum Hriday. Vochema Shantamagum Hriday. Shantama and her. So to join that, it becomes gum comes in, right? It's just a grammatical thing. Shantama, Shanta, Shanta, Shanti, all of that comes from that. So, let's chant it together. Vochema Shantamagum Hriday. Vochema Shantamagum Hriday. One more time. Vochema Shantamagum Hriday. And lastly, again we repeat it. Sarvo hyesha rudrastasmai rudraya namo astu. We just chanted this line. It's just a repetition. Let's chant it twice. Sarvo hyesha rudrastasmai rudraya namo astu. Sarvo hyesha rudrastasmai rudraya namo astu. Finally again. All of this is Rudra, all of this is Rudra. We end with that. Very heightened consciousness, filled with the Shiva energy. And we come out of this chant, we come out of this meditation, knowing that I have said so. And it is true that Shiva is now established in my heart, in all his tranquility. Shantamagum Hriday, peace and tranquility. He's gone back into that cave to meditate. So this becomes, then your body becomes a temple. And Shiva, now that he's established here, that consciousness begins to awaken. That is the power and the beauty of this mantra. These mantras are chanted for spiritual awakening, God realization. Let nothing short of that be your goal. It may not make sense. You might say, I don't want all this God realization. I just want my problems to go away. Know that if you take that path, all the other things fall into place. Please trust me. I say this from my heart. So, and the last. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Together. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The mantra ends with Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you all for allowing me, giving me this opportunity to teach. In the next class, we will summarize the entire thing and review each line twice. You can use that as your practice video. And then I'll do one more with just chanting every line single for you to maintain that practice. Let's end the class with one Om and 3 Shantis. May the Shiva in us awaken and establish himself in our hearts and make us feel his presence, his guidance, his blessing. So every day of ours becomes sanctified. Every act of ours becomes an act of worship. Every thought becomes a flower worthy of offering. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.